So we're looking at the multiplication principle in combinatorics, which often gets overlooked and forgotten later on when the questions get a bit harder, um, because it's not very intuitive, I don't think, necessarily. Hopefully this video will make it intuitive. Let's have a think about what it is anyway. It says the multiplication principle says that if some event has x choices and some other event has y choices, the total number of choices is x times y. So the best way is with an example here. So if we have an example, Gemma has 16 pairs of shoes and 14 pairs of socks. How many choices does she have for a complete set of footwear? Well, you probably guessed the multiplication principle means we're just going to take 16 times 14. It's going to give us 224 different combinations of shoes and socks that she could possibly wear. So the key idea with the multiplication principle is it's this idea of and. You're sort of combining one set of objects with another set of objects, or one set of choices with another set of choices. And so you multiply them together. Now, I'm going to leave it to you to think about why that might be the case. But yeah, you might want to think about how many options, if you look at this shoe, for example, how many pairs of socks you could have with that shoe, with that pair of shoes, and then you move to the next pair of shoes, how many options for pairs of socks could you have? And then so on. You just yeah, do that for all 16 and for all 16 different combinations of all 14 different combinations of socks. And yeah, if you were to do that, I think you would see the intuition for why it's 16 times 14 as the total number of combinations that Gemma has in this case. So that's, yeah, one of the fundamental principles of combinatorics.